in a major data center, even a tenth of a degree can make a change. So reliable measurements help prevent any unpleasant surprises. And with Origo, conditions can be optimized for a smarter use of energy, water, and ultimately money.
In semicon production, even a single drop of water can lead to major defects. Origo makes it user-friendly to measure and observe any parameter you need, right where the air goes in or comes out. Easy to access, easy to calibrate.
Origo is designed for clean rooms. It's easy to keep spotless and easy to trust. One transmitter can run 2 probes simultaneously, measuring everything from freezers to incubators, giving instant alerts.
Every building has ventilation, but in mission-critical ones, controlling air quality becomes especially essential. Origo's job is to make it easy, reliable and flexible, so that you can properly control your indoor conditions. Origo supports plenty of output signals, from BankNet to Modbus to different analog output types. So you could actually say that Origo speaks every important building automation language.
Vaisala Origo, smart measurements for smarter environments, built for your building.